Hello and welcome back. So if you watched the previous video, which should have been a time-lapse of this BC3300 serial number 1444 being repaired, you would notice that I swapped out the capacitor board. This is the one that I took out. It's definitely seen better days. Somebody's had a go at it, tried to repair it. It's got some views that are blown up, and yeah, it's just seen better days. It's got, you can see down in here, a lot of the caps are just kind of overheated and starting to fail. I got some pretty decent bulges happening in them. And, you know, it's put in 20 years. It's, may just go bad, and it's time for a new one. So, quick little replacement. Well, it's not quick if you watch the time lapse. There's a lot of work involved in replacing it. Went ahead and beat the corners back out so they're flat again, and redid the caulking with RTV, so because it had become brittle and fell apart. And yeah, so we should be able to. She works now, and should be able to fire it up here in a sec. So before, when if you watched 2 videos ago, so it would have been the time-lapse video and then the previous one where I first hooked up. When I powered it up, the voltage didn't change because it wasn't putting out very much current at all. And I'm stalling because my ancient laptop here has decided to like do something stupid. I have no idea what it's doing. Yeah, okay, hopefully that'll be working. Maybe it'll still update that. It's gone off to La La Land. I've gone ahead and I've got this plugged in, and I'm just going to do this to cheat here. And I go ahead and plug this in. You can see right away, voltage starts climbing. Already looking a lot better than before. And yeah, this was I was afraid of. We're not updating our yeah, I don't know what's going on there. Something crashed. Yeah, let's try restarting. Wait, ignore. No. It looks like our USB driver crashed. Yep. That's awesome. We'll have to reboot the computer. Well, it thinks it's fully charged. Let me see if I can get it to... I finally did order a new computer, because this thing's just been having... let me unplug it and plug it back in. This computer's 10 years old now. I got it in 2006. So, it's end of life. Hey, there we go. Unplugging the USB and plugging it back in. Serial converter. Okay, so 176.8 volts to verify. 177.8. We're off by a volt, but that's within 1%. These are good for 1% over temperature, and I don't know what temperature it's at. So, let's see. Current is 2.8 amps. So let's double check that. Go ahead and flip this into current, and zero that. Okay. And we're putting out 2.4 amps ish. It depends on how hard you squeeze the meter. If I go like that, I can usually get more out of it. So my meter's not that great. So 2.5 amps. And then I go back over here, and 2.7. So I'd say that is working pretty good. So I would declare it fixed. And yeah, other than my laptop giving me troubles, everything looks like it's working. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.